Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by my hair, I have no hair. I just took out a sew-in. It was too much for me. It was itchy and like, I don't know, it was just really uncomfortable this time around. And you know, I'm normally like a quick weave girl, so I feel like I might have to go back to the quick weaves because I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the thread rubbing against my scalp, but I don't know. It was just like, had to come out. So I do want to keep the sew-in braids in my hair because I feel like my hair needs a break. My hair is like going through it. So I'm just gonna wear Upart for now. We're about to put our Upart on, and this is our Upart. Y'all know I live for a kinky straight texture. We love texture over here. So I'm just gonna brush this out. This kinky straight Upart wig is from Unice. It's 24 inches. I dyed it black and it definitely looks super black. All I did was dye it black and of course shampoo and condition it, and then I let it air dry. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has combs all around, and then it has a comb on the bottom and an elastic band, and this little area here that I need to cut or leave out. So I washed my leave out, which isn't much. Like, I feel like my leave out is breaking off. I feel like I just need to get braids and not touch my hair for the rest of the year. But we know that's not gonna happen. So yeah, I don't know what I'm really doing with my hair right now. It's a hot mess. Like, I got micro links in the summer, and I feel like after I got micro links, my hair has just went like downhill from there. The micro links, listen, would never get them again. Not individual micro links. I had micro link wefts and that was not as bad, but like micro links, get somebody else to do it. I'm trying to see if I want to remove this comb because typically it always gets stuck on my head. Oh, this is perfect. Let's see, where's my leave? Right here. Okay, yeah. This is perfect. Okay, so let's hook this first comb on. I want it to be comfortable. Like, a lot of times I find the combs not too comfortable, but I also find the clips not too comfortable. So it's like a hit or miss. It just depends. Oh wow. Like, I don't know what this outside piece is, but it like goes over my ear. But it's like kind of hard. I wonder if I can cut that. But it's like bendable. Yeah, I feel like I need to cut that. Okay. This is just the hair washed and air dried. It's pretty, it's nice and full. It's nice and full, and all I'm gonna do is straighten this really quickly, or as quickly as I can. One side at a time. And I'm using this really cute flat iron that I got from Unice as well. It is pink and it's bedazzled with like pink rhinestones. So cute. This goes all the way up to 480 degrees. I'm gonna use 480 on the extensions, but not my real hair. So yeah, we're just gonna go for it. It's really hot. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, yeah. It's really straight. I feel like with kinky straight hair, if you want it to be like really sleek with no kinks in it, you have to like go slow or use the chase method, and I'm too impatient for that, so I'll just do a couple passes. It's not my hair, you know, so I like that. And I think 480 degrees is perfect for this texture of hair. So I'm just gonna straighten this. Like, who has time to go this slow? Not me. So I'm fine with it as long as it gets straight, you know? So this is what it's looking like so far. And this is how long it is on me. 24 inches, so it goes down to my waist. It's pretty long. Y'all know I love long hair. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up and I'll be back when I'm done with this one side, and we'll do like a comparison between this side and this side. So here's a texture comparison versus, you know, flat ironed and not. We look good. So yeah, the hair gets really straight. And then here's it, just a natural kinky texture. Both are really pretty, but y'all know I love like the sleek, straight. And then I just have to straighten my edges, but I'm gonna do that after, you know, straighten the extensions first. Okay, so we're all done straightening, and I just ended up straightening my edges because they was in the way. So I did that, and this is what we're looking like. Real silky, real smooth, just a nice little texture. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the back. The hair is really soft, so that's what we're looking like. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this heat protectant from Olive Oil. It's too oily. hard to like look in the mirror and do this because I have this light. I can barely see. So I hope this is cute. Because you're just gonna weigh all your hair down. Okay. For flyaways, I like to use this Dark and Lovely Blowout Shine Gloss Serum. It just reduces frizz. It's like a little wax, kind of. Looks like this. So I'm just gonna, like, not a lot. Just a little bit for the flyaways. Literally a little bit. And just do this. And voila. So cute, so easy. Like, now that it's all straight, literally this is a style that takes you 10 minutes to do. To put a wig on, to put a Upart wig on and go. It's like instant hair. We love that. And you can take it off at night and sleep comfortably. So, let me show you what it looks like from the back. Really long. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to link this wig from Unice with a bunch of coupons as well in the description box for you guys. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.